Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix or correct images link after WordPress migration. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we migrated our WordPress website to another domain or hosting, but our images link are not working properly. So we are going to fix it. So we are in phpmyadmin and open your WordPress database. So we are in WordPress database and then you see tables. Now open table post or post meta. So click on post. So click on it. So there are multiple ways to fix this link. Now you see filter row. So first we are going to find it. Now add link new dot winner. Now you see we have some record. So this is our old link. Now you see new dot winner. So this is our new link winner Chapel Maryland. Now you see if you want you can replace manually. So click on it and then you can remove new and then click on it again and your link will update. If you have less link then you can do it manually. If you have more link then you can do it using query. Now you see SQL. So click on it. So we are in post table. So we are going to add query here. So this is our query and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see update WP post. So this is our table prefix. So you can add your table prefix here. So this is our post table and then you see set post content replace post underscore content and then you see old URL. So this is our new URL. So you can add your old URL and new website link here. Now copy this. Go to phpmyadmin again. Now paste here. So you can add old website link and you can add new website link and then click on go. So by using this query, all links will be updated auto. So we are in WP post table. Now you see post meta. So click on it. So same way you can use in post meta SQL, then add query and then add old URL and new URL and then click on go. So in this way you can fix this issue. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.